Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, Screaming Pugs. Okay, so we are on our way to another takeaway review, basically.
Vetkoek Paleis.
Vetkoek Paleis.
Or the Vetkoek Palace.
The Vetkoek Palace. It's a very popular name for bumpy roads. It's a very popular name for restaurants that sell Vetkoek because we had a TV show called Vetkoek Paleis.
Every South African is a big fan of that show.
Yeah. So bumpy roads once again. We're gonna go try out. They have like too many different flavors.
I think it's like 50 or something. It's quite a lot.
It was a lot. So they even have like dessert Vetkoek, which sounds good, but it's early, so I'm not in the mood for banana and caramel. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the other side.
See you soon.
We're getting close. So just to be clear, this is the one in Brackenfell, not like any of the other ones because they aren't related in any way. There it is. That's the one. My window's dirty.
Got it.
It smells really good in here. Okay, so we're on our way home again. Just like a view shot for you guys.
A beautiful, sort of sunny Cape Town day.
Yeah, it's winter and it's warm, so we're happy.
Okay, welcome back guys. We're at home finally. For after the 2 minutes of driving again.
Yeah, it was close to home.
So I got myself a steak masala with crispy onions.
Yeah, I got a chicken mayo with sweet chili
sauce.
crunch, something like that. It's a chicken mayo sweet chili crunch is the title. So there's chips on it. Okay, so I'm excited to see what I'm getting.
So let's show you guys what we have. Okay guys, here as you can see, this is my steak masala. This is the first time I'm actually seeing how this looks. Here's your standard Vetkoek. Look at it.
Oh, that sauce looks so delicious.
A lot of onions, I love onions. So that's gonna be delicious.
No, mine! Okay, oh that smells so good. Like the whole place is smelling like Brian's Vetkoek, but okay. Here is mine. Okay. The big one. Oh, I thought this was pasta for a moment. That is chips on there.
Is that chips?
That is chips. That is not pasta.
Some fancy chips.
Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay, taste test.
Okay guys, taste this time. It's so nice and soft.
Yeah, this looks really fresh, which is always good.
That's some good steak and masala. It's a good sauce, nice and soft Vetkoek also.
I took like a huge bite, so I had to chew now. So chicken mayo is always my favorite in Vetkoek. And this is actually delicious. Like the chips, I thought they were going to be like crumbed or something, so they caught me off guard, but they're good.
Oh, this is really good. If you ate chicken masala, steak masala, yeah, that's pretty much what you're going for. Okay guys, so it's time to rate Vetkoek Paleis. I must say the help there was excellent. So like,
Yeah, good service, fast service.
yes, but in 15 minutes I picked up the phone, food was ready, waiting for me.
Yeah. And cost-wise, it's not that bad at all. We also spoke about like a Vetkoek is one of those things, it can be too big and it's just like a disaster trying to eat it, but this is just like, this is the perfect size for a Vetkoek.
Yeah, it was 103 rand for both of them, and I think that's for what you get, that's actually not a bad price.
It's not just your standard like curry mince exactly, you know, it's just something a little bit different, so it's worth it. Yeah. In general, like, would recommend, guys.
I would definitely
like with oily thumbs. Downside of eating Vetkoek is always oil everywhere. But yeah, definitely would recommend.
Okay guys, and also remember we have a challenge of getting 100 subscribers in the next few months, so please support us.
Months.
We're slowly getting there.
Yeah, it's thank you guys that have subscribed. You guys are awesome.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate you for every like, every comment. You guys are brilliant. We read them all. He informs me of everything when I don't see it, and we try to like do everything you guys recommend. We have a list.
Yeah.
We're working through it.
I handle all of the social media pretty much. If you're talking to me most likely.
Yeah, that's why the English is like it is.
My bad, guys.
We mock him, but I love him for it. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.